Hey everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I'm going to be taking a look at a few different cases from a company on Amazon called FYY. That's FYY, and they sent over to the channel a few different wallet case types to take a look at, and so I'm going to take a look at these for the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Just do some test fits, just show you what they are. Now, again, these are more of like the wallet type cases, so you'll have a few different types. Personally, this is not something that I probably would use because I don't need a wallet like this for my case or for my phone, but I've seen lots of people use them. My wife has a case like this for one of her phones, so it's something that I'm sure lots of people are interested in. So we'll just take a look. So there's three different ones. I guess we'll start with this brown one here. And they just come in this sort of little plastic case or plastic bag. Let's see what's in here. So just a letter from customer service, from the Amazon store. And so this is a brown, and it's a brown leather-like material. Okay, so this is the brown. If you take a look, there's some card slots here for credit cards, that sort of thing. There's a slot that you could use probably for your identification. There's a slot in the back you can use for some money or receipts, things like that. And then this is a TPU type of material here. So when the phone goes in, it just slips nicely in there like that. So this is what you kind of get. And obviously this can kind of fold in certain ways to kind of act as a stand and prop up the phone. You can do a few different things there. But then, yeah, so you have a little bit of a slot there, and then it closes. And then there's a two-sided magnetic closing clasp. So this is what the back looks like. I mean, it looks very nice. The camera cutout on the top for a microphone. Then you have your bottom cutouts for the microphone and the USB-C and speaker. The button placement is correct, works pretty decently. So if you're looking for this type of wallet case, this one might be something you should take a look at. It does add some bulk to the phone. Obviously, any of these types of cases will add some bulk, but if you're going to carry this in a purse or something else like that, or a bag, yeah, it's probably fine. And it would protect the phone pretty well, because this does offer, looks like, a lot of protection to the phone in general. So that's that. So that's the brown. And just a reminder, this is my Galaxy S20 Ultra, and I've got a D-brand skin on the back. So the next one we'll take a look at looks like a bluish, a metallic blue almost, very shiny. So this is basically the same sort of build as the other one, a little bit different on this side. So you do still have multiple card slots here. You have, a slot for receipts or cash, and then you have the TPU case on this side. So same sort of setup here, except this time, instead of like the two little pieces that come together, there's a bigger flap that kind of magnetically seals that side. The back looks like this. All the cutouts are the same. And then this one has a strap that connects to it. So then you have basically a hand strap that you can use to carry it around, kind of like a little hand wallet with the strap on it. So same sort of thing, very nice looking. And again, it's a little bit of a smoother material than the brown. The other one looked more leather-like. This is also, it looks leather-like, but it's a little bit smoother and has a metallic sheen to it. So that's that. And it's really easy to get the phone in and out of, because this TPU material is pretty soft. Like I said, this would offer pretty decent drop protection. And then the last case I have is a black. So this is just a black full kind of wallet sort of arrangement here, where the whole side of the case flips over onto the front, magnetic closure. And on this one, the back, oh, well, that's actually cool. This one, the whole case comes off. Okay, so out of these, I actually like the black the best because you basically get a case for the phone. And this has kind of like a back padded leather-like material on it, and then pretty form-fitting thin case. Nice grips on the side here, if you can see this. It's got this ribbed kind of thing. You got your buttons there, cutouts. So you get a nice, decent case, and then the case magnetically attaches to the back. So when you open this up, the magnet holds the case in there, and then you get actually some more. You get more card slots here. So you get 1, 2, 3, like 3 card slots, an ID slot. You get your same cash receipt slot. But I do like the fact that this comes out. That's pretty cool. So if you don't want to have it in the case, in this wallet case the whole time, you can kind of take that out and then just have the phone, which is actually really cool. I don't think I've seen any, maybe I just haven't seen enough of these types of cases, but I didn't know. I haven't seen any before with this kind of magnetic case attaching to the other. So basically these are the cases you can take a look at here. So you get the black, got this blue metallic, and then this brown leather. If you're interested in any of these cases for your Samsung devices, there's probably make these for the other Samsung S20 series phones as well, not just the Ultra. I'd have to double check. But I will link to the Amazon store where you can find all these. If you have any questions, go ahead and post those below. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you really like the video, please consider subscribing. This is Andrew from TS for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.